Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. In last episode, we have seen how the yogis and the rishis guide for the jiva pattern, physical existence, materialist existence, improvement and upliftment of jiva, human body, backbone, etc. through the yoga exercise. Similarly, they do it for the spiritual existence also. So they do it through pranayama. So for maintenance of this and sucking air and giving it to all brain, etc., all nerves and all parts where the air is required. So that is also being done by the yogis. Similarly, from throat to this third eye chakra portion, the improvement is being done as whatever has been told in Bhagavad Gita for behavioral part, how the things are to be spoken, what are the things required, what we see, what we hear, what we should speak, how we should satisfy the world and the God also through our behavioral pattern. That is being taught by the proper guides, authorities and institutions for improvement of this portion, spiritual function from throat to here, Atma part. Above Atma part, from Paramatma up till Akasha, etc., we can see how the God exists. What are the things, whatever see, whatever we can understand from the existence of God through Akasha. Akasha surrounding us, surrounding the human body, surrounding the Jiva Atma, surrounding the Paramatma, topmost layer is Akasha. And inside also, as minutest part at each nerve, both sides is the Akasha. That much we have learned. We have also seen there are 7 chakras in the last April. These 7 chakras are existing for a physical existence, side by side of the backbone. Physical existence, the spiritual existence through 7 chakras, side by side. Now we are progressing further towards Parameshwara. Now Jiva body is separate, Jiva human form is separate, and Parameshwar Paramatma existence is separate. Jiva body, topmost thing, whatever we call, is at crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. It is as far as concerned as human form of that Jiva body. In the Akasha space, to get connected with that portion of Sahasrara chakra, there exists one Brahmarandra, which is concerned with the Parameshwar Paramatma. That Brahmarandra is the tapping point, what we should do by the Mahottam Parameshwar Paramatma Mahamantra. Through our Sahasrara chakra, we should try to tap with the Brahmarandra on the top side. This is as far as Jivatma topmost part from the Parameshwar Paramatma. Now our body has been created through a solar system by the existence of sun, by the Paramatma only, but basically we are having a root chakra, spiritual root chakra down below. Below that round root chakra, Muladhara chakra, below that Muladhara chakra, root chakra, there exists a Surya Randhra. Because we are connected with the spiritual system, Muladhara, starting of that this one. It is called as Surya Randhra. Why Surya Randhra is important? Surya Randhra is important to catch the energy of Bhagwan Surya, Sun God, throughout our all 24 hours, whatever is there, Surya Randhra. And basically we have been created by Dharti Mata. So how the Surya rotates surrounding the Dharti Mata, similarly he rotates surrounding our body also. So there are 12 names or 12 positions, whatever we say, in Suryayan Maha, Adityayan Maha, Bhaskarayan Maha, Khagayan Maha, Bhanvayan Maha, Hiranyagarbhayan Maha, Marichayan Maha, Parighayan Maha, Arkayan Maha, Bhanvayan Maha, Mitrayan Maha, and Raviyan Maha. So these are the different 12 positions which God's Son acquires surrounding us, and He exists below our root chakra. So in addition to 7 chakras, whatever we have seen of the physical body yesterday, last episode, whatever seen, there are 2 basic randhras, holes, minutest charging holes, which suck energy from the solar, pass it completely through the spiritual system of the Jiva system, and opens up the crown chakra afterwards at the top, when we are totally dedicated to the Parameshwar Paramatma. And then it opens into the Brahmarandra to go inside the Akasha, Parameshwara. So Brahmarandra, so this Suryarandra and Brahmarandra are both important points to get your, to know your existence of God inside you from down below to the top. So in addition of 7 chakras, Suryarandra and Brahmarandra are important point of existence of God through us. Now, yesterday we have seen, last episode we have seen that there is a Paramatma and Bhakti compartment of devotion, faith, surrenderedness, through which we can activate or go to the understand, achieve the blessings of the Parameshwar Paramatma. For non-believers, etc., it is really it is they have to think really how they are existing. If the God is not there, where their forefathers have gone? Whatever they were speaking, earlier they were speaking, their forefathers, where the forefathers have gone? And so the thing they should understand, everybody understands, that we are existing in a complete Akash, universe or God system, wherein we are like a bubble in between, having a 70 years, 80 years, 90 years life in between, and in which the God exists from Surya Randhra to the topmost Brahma Randhra through the Jiva. So then again he goes back to the, after he understands it, he goes back to the Akash with the Parmeshwar Paramatma. So we have to be dedicated, understand this. And then it is a boon to understand Bhagwan, God, etc. When a child is there, initially it does not understand, recognize a mother, father. But as the brain develops, and if he wants to get the brain developed, he starts recognizing where is mother, how to understand her feelings. Similarly, the child applies its brain to understand who is the mother, where is the mother, how she looks. Similarly, non-believers of God should apply their brain through the bhakti or devotional compartment or surrenderedness compartment to understand Parmeshwar and Paramatma. So we are again progressing further towards the Mahottam Parmeshwar Mahamantra through systematically developing our liking towards the Parmeshwar Paramatma. Be with me and let us have blessings of Parmeshwar Paramatma by understanding him and realizing him and chanting his Mahamantra, Parmeshwar Mahamantra, as we proceed and as I will explain it to you in due course of time. Hare Krishna. Shubham Bhavatu.